How to make a personal development plan for success. To be able to achieve important goals, you must take the time to plan the details of those goals. So what do you need to do to make a plan to change yourself? 1. Understand yourself. If you don't even know where you are, you won't be able to actively plan to change yourself to succeed. You need to know what you are good at, what skills you need, and how you need to develop yourself in the future. This is shown through your strengths and weaknesses. Strength is what makes you special, increasing your competitiveness when looking for a job in the future. 2. Define your goals. Personal goals can be work-related but can also be something to improve your own life. To define your goal, identify your motivations and opportunities to achieve it. Passion will help you go further in completing your personal development plan in the future. Answer the questions below. What are the opportunities to complete the plan? What kind of job do you want in 6 months, a year, or 5 years? What do you need to do to develop yourself? What is the driving force behind your work? 3. Prioritize and plan for goals. The plan should be organized in order of priority among the big goals and built into small steps that are easy to implement. These steps are what you need to take to reach your goal. 4. Set deadlines and work specifications. If you set a goal but don't know when it will be completed, that goal is just a dream. However, if you want to accomplish a big goal in a short period of time, that goal will not be successful. Once you have a specific time frame, commit to it. Besides making an implementation plan, forecast the risks that may be encountered and develop a plan to handle them when things don't go according to plan. Besides, do not forget to make a plan to change yourself every day to have the most effective working day. A personal development plan will help you know where you are, where you want to go, and how to get there with the most specific steps. It will also serve as a guide, so you can rest assured that you are still on the right track. There is effort, and there is a future. Best wishes for your future success.